Elevate your English, mastering verb plus adverb collocations with finish early. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on advanced vocabulary, common collocation patterns. Today, we're diving into a very specific and interesting subtopic: verb plus adverb collocations with time adverbs. We'll focus on the phrase, finish early. We'll look at how you can use this collocation, what it means, and some examples to help you understand and remember it. Let's get started. The collocation, finish early, is a commonly used phrase in English. When we say finish early, we're talking about completing a task, activity or event before the expected or usual time. This adverb plus verb combination is powerful and can enhance your English expressions significantly. Examples: the meeting finished early, so I was able to catch the 5 o'clock train home. If you work efficiently, you might finish early and have time for a break. The beauty of finish early is that it's versatile. You can use it in a variety of contexts, whether it's about work, school, or personal tasks. Examples: for a student, I managed to finish early with my homework, so I could watch my favorite show. For an office worker, we finished the project early and were praised by our boss. Sometimes, English learners can make mistakes with the phrase, finish early. Remember, finish early implies that a task is fully completed, not partially done. Also, finish early doesn't mean to rush through a task. The focus is on completing it before the usual time, but still doing it well. Incorrect usage: I finished early my homework. Correct version: I finished my homework early. Correct usage: I finished reading the book early and had time to start a new one. So there you have it. You've just expanded your English vocabulary and learned how to use the collocation, finish early. Remember, mastering these collocation patterns can significantly enhance your fluency and sound more natural in English. Keep practicing and use finish early in your daily English conversation. Until next time, keep learning, and see you in our next video.